With Flexpipe, you can buy the components you need to build the structures you want. You simply buy the 4-meter pipes and cut them, buy the connectors, assemble them, and finish the structures with surfaces and accessories. This is ideal for urgent structures, highly customized and prototype structures, and for continuous improvements on existing structures. In any of these situations, you can really take advantage of the modular system by building the structures internally if you have the qualified labor. Flexpipe's modular system is simple. However, implementation success relies on training and preparation. First, get trained. Training will save a lot of time on the design and the assembly. We offer 2 training options to get you started. The A+ training option provides 2 days of instruction at our Flexpipe Training Center, where you will see multiple proven plans, structures, and pictures from our database. You will learn the use of more than 170 parts, surfaces, and hardware, and you'll understand how to design structures and create a bill of material. You will assemble your first structure with our help. This structure will then be shipped to you. The B training option is 1 day of training at your facility. You will learn basic components and assembly techniques, plus you will start assembling your first project. Step 2. Get prepared. You can assemble Flexpipe structures with basic tools, but having the right tools will make it easier. Experienced users and those assembling structures on a larger scale may want to use additional tools and power equipment. Having a good setup is also crucial for the assembly. Make sure you have enough space and clean storage for all the Flexpipe parts. The Flexpipe tool crib is a good system for this exact purpose. Step 3. Get started. At this point, a Flexpipe project manager will work with you to compile a list of components needed to build the required structures. These are called starter kits. Your project manager can also help with the first assembly plan free of charge to help facilitate all the requirements of your project.